In this video, we are going to make my personal favorite seafood, that is chili garlic prawns. This is so simple to make and tastes super delicious. So first we will be needing 2 tablespoons of corn flour and then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida into it. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Then here I am adding 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. This is dark soya sauce. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. And to make this a bit sticky, add 1 egg into this. Give this all a very nice mix. Make sure that there are no lumps. We want a very smooth batter. So our batter is ready. Now we will add our prawns into this. Here I have taken small sized prawns. This is almost 350 grams. I have already washed, cleaned this properly and kept. We will add all of these into this batter and coat this very well with the batter. Make sure that each and every prawn is well coated with the batter. Deep fry these prawns in enough oil. Make sure to flip these prawns so that all the prawns are cooked evenly and they are brown. Initially I kept the flame on medium for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I lowered the flame. So total it took at least 5 to 6 minutes approx for the prawns to be cooked nicely. Because otherwise if you will cook these on high flame, then they will be raw inside. They will look good cooked and brown, but they will be raw from inside. So we need to cook these very nicely. Also do not overcook this, otherwise you will end up burning your prawns. So here I have taken some oil from the fried prawns, almost 2 big spoons. I have added 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. We need to saute this for a minute or so until the raw smell of these are gone. Then I am adding 2 spring onion, only the white part of the spring onion, which are sliced. So as these are chili garlic prawns, we need to add some chilies. I have added 3 chopped green chilies. You can also increase the amount of chilies if you like spicy a lot. Now stir fry this. Then add 1 small chopped capsicum into this. Right now the flame is on medium. Give this all a very quick mix. I am adding almost 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give this a quick mix. Then add almost 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I am using dark soya sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Now add almost half cup of water into this. Now for making this mixture a bit thick, I have taken in a bowl 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water, mixed it very nicely. And now I have added this into this mixture. Stir this continuously. You will immediately see how thick and nice our mixture will look. Now very quickly we will be adding our fried prawns into this. Coat your prawns with this mixture very well. At this stage you can taste your mixture if you feel that some salt is less, because we have already added a lot of soya sauce. Then you can add some salt, followed by 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. You can see how nice our prawns are already looking. These look so tempting. These are a perfect starter seafood. Now, I need to be honest over here. These were much tasty than the butter garlic prawns that I have made. these were so simple to make, and even my family was quite impressed by me.